I think there is a huge opportunity for artificial intelligence in DevOps and beyond as well. When we look at methodologies such as DevOps, they're really designed to optimize for certain types of behavior and outcomes, and those methodologies are designed to mitigate against the kind of negative behaviors and the negative results that you typically tend to see when people collaborate together in an imperfect way, shall we say. But still, inside those methodologies, there's like lots and lots and lots of details. How people write code, and how people file issues, and how people submit pull requests, and how people write and run tests. And there's all these different components that fit into that. And I think AI shows huge promise for essentially being a virtual agent that is able to kind of look at some of those actions and then to help guide that collaboration in the right kind of direction. So as a tiny example, a lot of companies and projects deal with the problem of bug triage. People file loads and loads of issues, not just for problems, but also for feature development or things that they'd like to see. And then you need to triage those issues to make sure that they get assigned to the right resources get assigned to them. AI could arguably be looking at those issues and do that triaging on your behalf, and then to be able to resource it sufficiently, or at least put it in the hands of the right kind of people. So I think there's huge promise for how AI can not necessarily replace humans, but to augment humans with the right kind of information, with the right kind of decision making to optimize how that collaboration works. And there's not a lot of that in place right now, and that's where I think there's going to be a huge opportunity in the future.